Have you ever wondered how businesses know if they are making profits or loss? How they track money coming in and going out? How they know whether they can expand or close down? The answer is accounting. But what exactly is accounting? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, you understand accounting better than most beginners. Let's look at simple definition of accounting. Accounting is the process of recording money coming in, recording money going out, organizing it, and reporting whether a business made profit or loss. In simple terms, accounting is keeping proper financial records of a business. That is all. Let's look at real life example. Very important. Imagine you start a small business and you invested $500 to start. You bought goods worth $300. You sold goods worth $450. Now, ask yourself, did you make profit or loss? Because without accounting, you will only guess. But with accounting, you will know. Accounting helps you track expenses, track sales, calculate profits, and even see how much money is left. That is the power of accounting. Now, let's look at why accounting is important. Accounting is important because it helps business owners know if they are making profit. It helps banks decide whether to give loans. It helps government calculate taxes. It helps investors decide where to invest and even helps managers make better business decisions. Yes, without accounting, a business is operating blindly. So let's look at the types of accounting. There are many types, but as a beginner, focus on these three. Financial accounting. Financial accounting is used to prepare financial statements. 2. Management accounting. Management accounting is used for internal decision making. Tax accounting. Tax accounting is used to calculate and pay taxes. So on this channel, we will break each one down step by step. Accounting is not just for profit making. Many people think accounting is only for accountants. That is wrong. If you run a business, you sell online, you manage money, want to become an entrepreneur, you are studying business, you need basic accounting knowledge. If money is involved, accounting is involved. So let's summarize in simple way. Accounting is recording money, organizing money, reporting money, helping businesses know their financial position. It's very simple. If money is involved, accounting is involved. So, if you are new to accounting and want simple explanations without confusion, subscribe to Accounting Made Simple by Etelish. On this channel, we will explain accounting in the simplest way possible. Don't forget, free notes for this lesson are in the description. Download them and practice along. Also comment below if you are a student, a business owner, or entrepreneur. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.